doing, Sarp?
Oh, we're going to be shooting some sunrise landscape photography.
Sunrise with what? Show us what we're shooting with.
We're doing for this with EL.
Yeah. No, I was just talking with the camera, by the way.
Camera is the 7000. We got a tripod in it.
Nikon D7000.
Yes, you see it here. Some ND filter and some 2-kilo lens. And
Okay.
Of course.
And we're just in the shot. Alright, everybody. So Sarp is about to take a picture of this rock. You're gonna see some transformation right now. Some transformation. Well, how many seconds? 13. 1-3. That's everybody. So it's literally this. So we'll come with my camera right now. So this should look. And now we're gonna zoom it. Now that we're gonna walk into it. What happened, man?
That's what you got here.
And that's what you get.